bookie. Whoa, the hokey cokey. Whoa, the hokey cokey. With everything comes up and around. It's Lila and Ruby, and then we're going to pan round to Mummy and Finn. Mummy doesn't want to be seen. She's not wearing a bra.
You're being shy, aren't you?
Mummy's always shy.
Careful of Ruby's hand, Lila. Are you not squashing it?
He's holding me. Oh, Rubes.
Yeah. They're the Gilchrist girls. Look, there they are. Yeah. Ah, and big smiles from both of them. Yeah. And across to another Gilchrist girl right here.
Please.